In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between tabs in Brave browser. If you ever have multiple pages open and want to move between them quickly, this walkthrough will show you the simplest mouse click method and the essential keyboard shortcuts, so you can keep your workflow smooth and distraction-free. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure the Brave window is in focus on your screen. When it is, the menu bar and address bar will be visible and ready for input. If you already have several sites open, you'll see each one represented as a tab along the top of the window in the tab bar. To switch tabs with your mouse, just click the tab you want in the tab bar. The Active tab is usually highlighted and appears more prominent than the others. A single left click jumps you straight to that page. There's no need to double-click. This is the most straightforward way to move around when you can see the tab you need. If you prefer using your keyboard, Brave supports quick shortcuts for moving between tabs without lifting your hands off the keys. These are great for keeping your flow when you're working quickly and don't want to reach for the mouse. On Windows or Linux, press and hold Control, then tap Tab to move to the next tab to the right. Keep tapping Tab while holding Control to continue advancing through your open tabs. To move in the opposite direction, hold Control and Shift, then tap Tab to go to the previous tab to the left. This forward and back pattern makes it easy to scan through your pages in order. On a Mac, use Command+Option and the right arrow key to go to the next tab. To go back to the previous tab, press Command+Option and the left arrow key. You can hold the first two keys and tap the arrow repeatedly to move across tabs. The idea is the same as on Windows and Linux. Right arrow moves you forward, left arrow takes you back. If a shortcut doesn't seem to work, click anywhere inside the page to make sure the Brave window is active. Then try again. Shortcuts only apply to the window that's currently in focus. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, click any tab to switch instantly, or use the keyboard shortcuts to move forward and backward through your tabs at speed. With a little practice, this becomes second nature and saves you time every single day. Pause the video if you'd like to practice, and rewind to review the shortcuts as needed.